Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. Today I have another box to show you from Giving Tree Box. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so I just received this box from Giving Tree Box. They did send me this for review, so thank you so much for sending me your box. I greatly do appreciate it. If you guys watched my last unboxing, it was the first time me hearing and bringing this company to my channel. I really loved what they were about, what they were trying to bring, but the items in the box just didn't seem like they were of value for what you pay. So, and that's what I said in my video. They watched my video, they replied back to me, they told me thank you for your positive feedback. We are going to take a few things into consideration, and the owner of the company wanted to send me a few extra items, and I was like, you don't need to do that, you already sent me the box. If you want to show me another variation at some point, thinking give them a little bit to kind of get a few things adjusted, you know, new changes, that kind of thing, and then send me another box. Well, they sent me another box now, so I don't know if this is going to be a few items or a whole new box to show you. This feels very heavy. So I'm going to say it's probably a whole new box to show you guys. Either way, I greatly appreciate them sending us another variation to show you. They wanted to definitely make some changes. They want to show you the potential of their box and what they're standing for. So they sent me another box. They said I did not need to, whatever they sent me, they said I don't need to do another video, but I want to show you guys, because if they're going to send me another box, I want you to see another variation of it. So without further ado, let's go ahead and let's cut the tape and let's get into this and see what we have. Okay, so that's what it looks like, and there's a card right here, and it says, "Can we start over?" Oh my gosh. That is so freaking cute. I've never seen that before. Can we start over? Control-Alt-Delete. I wish things were that easy, just to be like 3 buttons and you're done. But that is super cute. Can we start over? So I'm gonna definitely assume they sent me a whole entire box, like a little do-over. That is so cute. Have you guys ever seen that? And it's like on cardstock. So either they printed it or they got them like that. But that is so cute. I've never seen that before. Can we start over? Yes, let's go ahead and start over. So let's go ahead and see what's going to be inside this one. That's what it looks like with the tissue paper, and it has their tree with their logo, the sticker with their tree and logo, Giving Tree Box right there. So let's see what we have this time. Okay, so this is definitely looking so much better already, you guys. So that's what the presentation looks like inside. So let's go ahead and dive in and see. Now I know with this one, they do ask you a few different questions. They kind of tailor it to your own specifics based on the way you answer the questions for the profile. So there's probably not ever going to be a card, because they change all the items based on your own survey. And I'm fine with that. Not every company does cards. So let's go ahead and just dive in and let's see what we have. So there is their sticker. This is their logo where it says Giving Tree. That's so cute. I like this little tree. I like what they stand for, you guys, too. So there's that. So now we have is Griff's Coffee Toffee. And oh my gosh, I love me some coffee and I love me some toffee. So toffee coffee, give me some more. There's that. It says Griff's Toffee Coffee. And yeah, let's see what it looks like on the inside. Dark chocolate, pecan, coffee, toffee. I got your coffee toffee. Oh my goodness. This sounds like it's going to be amazing. Oh, that's right. Last month there was a whole lot of lavender in my box. There was a lavender candle. There was a lavender like shower steamer. There was a lavender something else. There was like 3 or 4 lavender products, and that's one thing they didn't take into consideration of people with scents, because I know with me, lavender and rose, I don't even come near me with those scents. Like they trigger my migraines like there's no tomorrow. And I know a lot of you guys are twins with me on that, and you have the same problem. So I think they might be adding that to their profile. So yeah. So here is the toffee. Ooh, they're like little pieces inside. Let's see. I love toffee. Like Heath, My mom, ooh, look, that's the, my mom makes a really good cake with Heath on top. I think it's called Better Than Sex Cake, but it's so good. But these are little squares. There's 4 of them in here. It's dark chocolate. That's amazing. Ooh, that's really good. Already starting off way better. Aww. Here's a sticker that says coffee, which I am a huge coffee lover. Yes, please. Give me some help. So now we have is a Loon chocolate, 70% dark chocolate with roasted almonds. That sounds amazing. So there is that. So this is like a full-on bar. Yep. Here's a sticker covering that. Yeah. So it's a full-on chocolate bar that's inside. So we have that. Now we have is Country Blend, New England's premier craft roaster. Okay, so here is a coffee. Can't wait to try that. I love coffee. I'll drink coffee any day, anytime, any time of the day. I'll drink coffee before I go to bed. So yes, okay, so it was a body scrub that was lavender. Now I have an espresso body scrub. So this is coffee scented. So yes, this one I will definitely use. And there's a coffee candle. So yes, I got the lavender candle the last time, and the last one just came up by itself. Yep. And there's little coffee beans. Oh my gosh, I smell it already. I don't even have to put my nose in there. Oh, that smells so good. You guys, I totally needed to point out the fact that every time I keep walking back and forth to my recording room, anytime I go back into that room, my whole room, as soon as you walk in, it instantly smells of like amazing coffee. And all I did was open that candle like 2 or 3 times. And oh my gosh, I'm gonna light it right now. My whole entire house is gonna smell like it in like 2 seconds. But it smells amazing in my recording room, and I didn't even light it yet. Second update, my man got home and it instantly opened the door and he goes, ooh, you making coffee? And I was like, no, it's a candle. And I literally probably started burning it not even 10 minutes ago. About 10 to 15 minutes ago, I started burning it. And he's like, oh, so do you want coffee now? So now we're gonna actually make coffee. It is smelling really, really good, like the whole house. Now, I've had coffee candles before, but I don't think I've had anything this like distinctive and this strong. That smells really, really good. So yes, this candle is definitely a good one for me. It's coffee. So there's that. So next we have this like cutest little thing of maple syrup, and all natural and pure. And I will be having my niece next weekend, so I will make pancakes for breakfast and I will use this syrup. There's that. That's different. And it's such a cute little bottle. Look how cute. So there's syrup. Now we have is what? Microwave pops off the cob. Farmer's popcorn cob. Kansas grown. Best by 12/01 of 21. So you have over a year to use this. I have never seen anything like that. You put this in the microwave and it pops off the cob? What in the world? I have never seen anything like this. So I'm sure the instructions are on the other side of this, but it's completely sealed. It says remove from plastic for instructions. So I would have to completely open it up to get the instructions, but you put it in the microwave for whatever time it tells you and it pops it off the kernel. Go figure. So there is that, you guys. Never in my life heard of that, but now I'm so intrigued. Ooh, movie night. Maybe I'll do this with when my niece is here too, because I don't think she's ever seen anything like that. She might be actually intrigued to see that thing in action. Oh, and here's a resin that's actually shaped like a coffee cup. That one is super duper cute, and it does have the magnet on the back. So I will put that on my refrigerator next to the gummy bear guy that I got last time. That is so cute. Okay. And the other thing that I had one like this that was like a green matcha face mask. And now this one is Simply Spot Espresso Shake and Go face mask. So it's the same concept as the other one. You add the little tablespoons of water that it says, 2 tablespoons of water to this pouch, and then you mix it all up, and then he gives you this little spoon on the back, mix it up in the package, put it on your face, wash it off, and you're good to go. It says leave on for 5 minutes and then rinse off with warm water. Remove the entire mask. And this is coffee flavored. Oh my gosh. I got coffee, I own coffee, I own coffee, I own coffee, I own coffee. And this is hot chocolate balls. What? Hot chocolate balls. Unwrap your hot chocolate ball. Drop ball into a microwave safe mug. Microwave for 20 seconds until the ball softens, and then add 8 ounces of milk or a milk alternative. Microwave until hot, about 90 seconds. Stir vigorously. Sip, savor, and enjoy. Another thing that I've never seen before. So it's a little ball and you make your hot chocolate out of it. That's kind of cool because then you're not having to carry like powder or all these like powdery things. You just have one little ball, drop it in, and you're good to go. I can't wait to try that. Maybe again, that's another thing I'll wait and do when she's here because it'll give us something to do. We'll have a movie night. We'll have some hot chocolate. Sounds like a good night. And then down here on the bottom, we have, this is the coloring page for this month. I like this one. The last one was more like woodsy. I mean, it was cute, but this is more my speed. And it's an adult coloring page. And this looks like a she shed with gardening tools all around, or at least a house with gardening tools all around. So that is really cute. This one is called Countryside. So it comes like that. And then and it's it's not like a really thin piece of paper. This is more like a thicker piece of paper. And then you can color that. So maybe I'll give her the one from last week and I'll use this one and we'll color them together. This is really cool. This box definitely is a lot better. So then in here is some information, and then we'll go over everything in just a second, and I'll remind you of the pricing and all of that. So then we can see if we think it's of a better value. So in here we have, there's a recipe for pumpkin spice latte, essential oils, coffee, and other hot drinks. So it's saying like the best essential oils to mix in with coffee is cardamom, peppermint, orange spearmint, lavender, ginger, cinnamon, protective, and CASSIA. So this is just like a lot of useful information. And then on the back, there's handmade peppermint mocha, cleaning your coffee maker with essential oils, morning routine. Oh, so this is just like a cool little pamphlet of a lot of different information that you can go over, and it has a lot of stuff about essential oils. That's really neat. So this says live free and eat great chocolate, loonchocolate.com. So is one of these Loon chocolate? Yes, this one. And so Loon chocolate. So it's just a card from this company here. Then we have NH Coffee Co. That's probably this one. Yep, New Hampshire Coffee Co. There's that. And then handmade with resin. This is where this guy came from. If you want to check out that site, there's the Etsy shop. And it does have 10% off on the bottom if you use code GivingTree, if anybody wanted to check that out. And then this is a pamphlet for the spa, the sugar spa, these right here. And so if you want to check out anything else, there's a pamphlet for that. So they give you in this little envelope any information about anything that could be in your box, or just any extra information for you to go over. And there's that. So that is everything that came in this box, you guys. So all of the items that count in here, we have the adult coloring page. We have a coffee scented candle that smells so good. We have a maple syrup. We have a spa face mask. We have a coffee scented espresso body scrub, which, oh, that probably is going to smell. Let me open this one because I want to smell it. Hold on. It does smell like coffee. So that's what it looks like on the inside with the sugar scrub. Okay, so we have the sugar scrub. We have the resin magnet. We have a sticker. We have a popcorn. We have a hot chocolate ball. We have coffee. We have a full chocolate bar. And we have chocolate toffee. Okay, so Now let's go over the pricing for this box. Giving Tree is $39.95 a month, or you can do it seasonally, and the seasonal box has a few more items in there, and it's $49.95 per season, which would be 4 boxes per year. They also donate 10% of all purchases, and they're donated to different charities. Every month they have a different charity that they donate to, but they always donate 10%. So Giving Tree, if you want to know about them, what can people expect? Every month, customers will receive several different products that cover an expandable range of things, from personal care, candles, chocolate, snacks, jewelry, books or education, homemade crafts, and even some amazing items you may have never thought of. Yeah, like a few of these in here that I never even knew existed. Each box will be curated specifically to your likes. Again, they do have the questionnaire that they will ask you, and they might have added extra questions to that as well. Our mission is very simple: help others and support small businesses. Whether we are donating to amazing organizations or promoting great companies, we are constantly looking to give back any way we can. With almost 2 years in the making, we have gratefully founded over 200 vendors to create an ever-changing experience. Designed to fit you perfectly like a puzzle piece, high-quality products from businesses who care about you. All of our products are sourced from small businesses around the United States. So that's one other thing where the value of the items might be higher than we would normally think, because they're all from small businesses and they're all in the US. So, of course, things like that cost a little bit more, but I love that they're helping to support all small businesses all in the US. So I do love what their box stands for. I love what they're doing. I love that they're giving back and they're helping small businesses to make us feel good when we get the box delivered. And again, you can do it every month or you can do it quarterly. You can also gift a box if you would like to gift a box for somebody. Holidays are coming up or anything like that. And the value is supposed to be over $80 worth in this monthly box. I'm sure the value is going to be higher in their seasonal box. Oh, plus we offer free shipping to the United States on all of our boxes, including our one-time boxes. If you wanted to send it as a gift, you do have free shipping. I will link their website down below if you would like to check them out. Again, they will give you a brief survey, so their team will handpick the perfect products curated to your customization. So that is everything that I have to say. I feel that they did step it up, because I do see that the value of some of these items are the same. I get that, but the other ones, they seem like they're at least a higher value, and this whole box just makes more sense this time. So I think they definitely did step it up. What do you guys think? Comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it. I greatly appreciate the owner of the company definitely doing their do-over. So Control-Alt-Delete accepted. Thank you so much for sending me another box, even though you did not have to send me another box in the same month. You could have waited until next month, but I greatly do appreciate it. So that is everything, you guys. Until next time, keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.